You guys, I am so hyped about this new thing in ChatGPT. Like, seriously excited. It's called Canvas. And, well, I'm not giving anything away when I say it's all about writing.
Yeah. ChatGPT just keeps upping its game, right?
It's insane. So, to make sure we really get into the nuts and bolts of this whole Canvas thing, I've got an AI expert right here with us for this deep dive.
Hey, everyone. Great to be here.
Okay, so we're kicking things off with this really interesting LinkedIn post by Mitch Jackson.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. He's doing some really interesting work with AI and law.
Exactly. And right now he's all over this new Canvas feature in ChatGPT 4.0. He's calling it revolutionary for writing, which, is pretty big deal these days,
It
right?
is. And what's really fascinating to me about Canvas is that it's not just a small upgrade or anything. This is a whole different way of using generative AI.
Wait, hold on. Back up a sec. For those of us who don't speak fluent AI, what exactly is generative AI again?
Oh, good point. So generative AI is like the really cool stuff. It's AI that can create new content, like writing text or even composing music.
Got it, got it. Okay, so back to Canvas.
Right. So with Canvas, it's like integrating generative AI into the entire process of writing. It's not just about generating a block of text in isolation.
Okay, so instead of me just reading Mitch's whole post, give us the lowdown. What can Canvas actually do?
Okay, so picture this. You're working on, say, an email, and you highlight a sentence. Boom. Canvas pops up with AI suggestions for how to rephrase it, make it clearer, whatever.
Oh, that's cool. Like a supercharged Grammarly, kind of?
Sort of. But it goes way beyond that. You can even tell it to adjust the tone. You need to sound more formal. Canvas can help you nail that. More casual, conversational. It can do that too.
Whoa. Seriously, I wrote this whole project proposal last week, and it was like pulling teeth to get the wording right for different sections. I could have really used this.
Right. And that's just one example. Think about students writing research papers, businesses creating marketing materials.
Okay, this is blowing my mind. But what's the catch? Do you have to, like, be a coder or something to use it?
Nope. The post mentioned it's rolling out to paid ChatGPT 4.0 accounts. So if you don't have access yet, you probably will soon.
Man, talk about good timing. This whole AI writing thing, it's not just a fad, is it? This is the future.
It really does feel that way.
Yeah.
And for anyone who wants to dig deeper, especially into how AI is changing specific fields like law, I definitely recommend checking out Mitch Jackson's LinkedIn group. It's called AI in Law. Lots of great discussions happening over there.
Awesome. I don't know about you, but I am ready to dive into ChatGPT 4.0 and give this Canvas thing a try. Thanks for breaking it all down.
Anytime.
And to everyone listening, make sure to check out the show notes for links to everything we talked about. Until next time.